Welcome back to another edition of Gareth Unboxing. Let's get into this. Tokyo Treat, my favorite box of the month. You get one drink every month in this box. It don't cost that much. You get plenty of stuff in it, so let's try and get 20 likes on this video. Come on, smash those likes. And let's get into this. So I just take this out, fix this down a bit, and here we go. We got September edition of Tokyo Treats. It's Pikachu. It's Hello Kitty. I think it's One Punch. And I don't know he's a Japanese character. I forgot his name. But then we got the Teddy, Pikachu, and whatever that is. So, tells you a bit about that. Everything you get. It's just a bit about the snacks and stuff like that. Just a DIY kit. The lucky treat, so you could win all this if you're a lucky treats winner, and plus your box. Here's some other stuff, guys. And here we go. And that's a grand prize as well. You get a Pikachu, squishy, and a hat, and the runner-up gets the Pikachu plate. And that's other people who unbox other boxes. But yeah, without further ado, let's get in. And the first one we get out is this pack thing that you know that you do this in each month now. So we got these are nice, these are curry flavour. I think I had that before. These are sweets, but they also stamps. You lick the one side, that side, and then you just stamp it on your arm. You got a thing. It looks like we got a stick in it. Nope, it's not a sticker. It's jelly. It's right there. And you've got some other chewy candy things. But yeah, that one, it don't give you much information apart from what the pack is called. I'm going to show you guys now. See, that's all it says. Just random stuff in the box. So let's get the next thing out. Next thing we got is a torch. Oh. There we go, guys. We got a torch. And there's a pen as well. So if I press down on it, there we go, guys. So there's a torch. Very frustrating to get on, but I probably can fix that. But you've seen it work, yeah, it does work, and you can just hold it there and it'll work. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. It's very pretty cool, and it's Disney. And what we got? I'm sure it's a Monsters Inc. Here's Monsters Inc. It's got good. It's got celery, sal, and all that on it. There we go, guys. If you want to read that. So yeah. something there. You just push it up and over there. You just push it like that. And let's get into the next thing. Next thing we got look like biscuits, maybe cream cheese flavor. Let's have a look, shall we? Shall we have a look? Let's have a look. What flavor? A sweet potato snack, cream cheese. With the addition of cream cheese that give this snack a creamy but slightly tart flavor. So I can read some stuff, guys, but I can't read all stuff. So let's get into the next thing. Next thing we got with this, I'm guessing wasabi flavor. Well, it's a bit of wasabi, I think it is. Yep, it's wasabi. And that was on. But yeah. There we go, guys. Not sure if I will like these because I'm not a big fan of wasabi. It's extremely spicy. I like spicy stuff, but I don't like that extreme spiciness. Next thing we got is a DIY kit. Where is it? I found it. There we go, guys. The DIY kit. Blubbering. Next thing we got is like some pancake cranks. Let's have a look. They are crackers, rice crackers, and they coated in roasted soya flour. I'm not a big fan of soya flour. There we go, guys. Let's see it. Yeah, so it's pairs best with green tea. Let's check what else we got. Next thing we got is these like gummies. Grape flavor. Hi-Fi premium juice. There we go, guys. Next thing we got is some love arts. Hello Kitty love arts. And the Ramouye. There we go, guys. Let's see what else we got in here. Here we got some, I think they Ramouye again, but Pikachu ones. So, yep, Ramouye. And they can turn from strawberry to like the watermelon flavor, so you can change to watermelon or melon flavor. Next thing we got is Hello Kitty biscuits. I need to sneeze again. I could have got plain ones, or I could have got roasted honey ones, or I could have got a strawberry one, which I got strawberry ones. Next thing we got is These are no pretzel ones. Let's see what these are. Fruit tart ones. There we go, guys. You can see now. There we go. Next thing we got is this. Looks kind of like a lemon and some salt. So let's see what it is. It's salt. And there's a citrus flavour, so yeah, a lemon. Or not citrus, it's a fruit on its own, I think. But yeah, it's salt flavour. Salt and citrus flavour. Next thing we got is, I think it's One Punch. I think she's out of One Punch. And it's a crunch chocolate. So it's like, cooking cream. Yeah, it's One Punch Man. So let's try and find that. Here we go. Next thing we got is this drink. It looks like icy flavour, grape flavour, and it's got those two characters on it. I don't know what they called. So this is a jelly drink. Here we go, guys. You can drink it chilled or frozen. It's chilled, it's cold, so it's chilled. And that's it for this round. So, let me get pause. So let's recap on what we got. So, we got this jelly drink. We got a bar of chocolate. We got some strawberry chocolate covered pretzels. We got some ramouillet. We got more ramouillet. We got wasabi crisps, potato chips. We got a torch and a pen, which I'll probably not back in the box. We got this mixed snack bag. We got this. Crackers. We got these, like chip things. We got these gummies for chews. We got a DIY kit. We got sweet potato snacks with cream cheese, and we got some more pretzel breadstick things. So, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More box of beans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to. Don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.